Emergency vehicle around the Mercedes-Benz Superdome. I got my Ram truck. Another Ram truck. We're on the 17th day. There go another Ram truck. We're on the 17th day of the 9th Hebrew calendar month. That green just manifesting with beauty, with honor. That 2020 sitting up there. What a year. On the 17th day of the 9th Hebrew calendar month, Kislev, brothers and sisters, and I mean, that's, we're constantly seeing prophecy. We're seeing the reds, the pink. We got the emergency vehicle. We got the clouds hanging low over here. They go the green right there for the money. He's sending that green in today. I did a Facebook Live earlier, but I'm just going to just here. They go the money. They go to express it. It needs to be expressed, the money. This is November 3rd, 2000. They go the green on that sign over there. Double green. The green just popping back to back. We're on December 3rd, 2020. There go number 17 right there. Move, devil. Oh, that devil is so wicked. Still got the green right there, but that vehicle most likely gonna pass by. We're lining up with the Superdome. The enemy is so afraid. 17 right there too. 17. He's so afraid. That's two. That's two of them. That's what the Most High God was doing. I was in Gonzales, actually making these vehicles come back to back. There go that gold right there. Making them come back to back with 17 on them, you know. Making them come back to back. Boy, I tell you. That enemy is so angry. So angry. They go to, now he gonna show green, watch. They go to 45 right there on the sign for Psalm 45. They go to green right there, a little green tag. I told you he's gonna send the green because he uses these things, emergency vehicles and stuff like that, and indicators, and he showed the green. Like, come on, get a man the money, give my servant the money, help him out. That's my servant. He's the king. He is the king. Help him out. Help him out. Like right there, that person needs help. Help him out. Oh, there's a female. I thought there was a guy till she got up. She got a short haircut. She's actually taking some got stuck under the wheel or whatever. But on this 17th day, we really got light action. And the 17 is right there. So the Most High God is showing terrible judgments. Oh, look like we seeing the mimosas clouds. Right there in front of me. And what is going on here? That's that emergency vehicle last night. The Most High God gave it right back to me. Last night it took off. It came right in front of me on the 17th day. And there go the raindrop fell right on the window pane as soon as I said that. The Most High God gave it right back to me. Here come the rain. Here come the rain. So everything, and here come the double. Look at the double. Look at that double, and here come the rain. He getting ready to rip it up. He getting ready to tear it up. And that went the train, that went the horn from a vehicle. He get ready to tear it up in New Orleans. The double, you already know what the double mean, brothers and sisters. You know what that mean. And now he's making the raindrops fall. There's an emergency vehicle I saw last night that jumped in front of me. It jumped in front of me. Look at this vehicle right here is turning backwards. Look at this one right here. But he making things happen. He making things happen to show for prophecy. Look at there. They go to green again. Here come my Ram truck. They go to green right there. They go to Ram truck. And here come the rain. There goes some more lights over there. We're in a serious day right here. Serious day of power. In the 17th day to prove me. Deuteronomy 17, brothers and sisters. The Most High God show the king. He chooses the king. And he's doing all this to show who I am. That the people would actually give full money. Using cash.me / $Shegal1 SHEGAL1 $SHEGAL1. So there go the rain. You wait till I get by the Superdome. I tell people a lot of prophecy happens here. A lot of prophecy when I get around the Superdome, the Geno Bridge. A lot of prophecy happens. Greater New Orleans Bridge, a lot of prophecy happens. There go the rain. There it goes. Bless your holy name, Father. My brothers and sisters, you can go to my Facebook, Mashiach Ben David, MASHIACH, Ben BEN, David DAVID. That's MASHIACH, Ben BEN, and David DAVID. Look at the Facebook posts of the rainbows to start happening. Gave that prophecy on December 1st. The next day, the Most High God, he put a rainbow around the sun. Gave a prophecy last night that there's going to be a shutdown in New Orleans. That's in a Facebook Live. And guess what? The Most High God made a collapse of utility poles that stretched across all lanes, brothers and sisters. They go green again for the money. All lanes stretched across all lanes, blocking up the interstate, westbound and eastbound, blocking the interstate, shutting it down today. So, the Most High God is doing some terrible things, brothers and sisters. And that prophecy was last night, and it happened today right here in New Orleans, Louisiana, to show who I am. To show that I am the King of Israel. And he's calling the tribes to the king to help the king. He's calling the tribes to the king. Calling the tribes of Israel to the king, the real king. They got people perpetrate that they're the king. Bless his holy name. We got the ravenous bird just cruising on through, gliding on through. Go ahead on. That is Isaiah 46. Isaiah 46, verse 11. The ravenous bird, the man that executes counsel that come from a far country, The Most High God showed that the king of Israel comes from a far country to come back into Israel to rule. That ravenous bird, he'll send that ravenous bird in. I was talking about the rainbow, and look at that, this license plate right here. Rainbow. You can see the arch. You can see the arch, that rainbow. So we had a red light showing that arch. That's what he does. Confirmation. So I say shalom, 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 brothers and sisters. King Mashiach ben David of the bloodline of King David, shalom. This is also December 3rd, 2020. December 3rd, 2020.